Hello. Today I will describe the inspiration and expiration processes of ventilation with regard to muscles and tissues involved, as well as the movement of gases in response to differences in intrapulmonary pressure and atmospheric pressure. First, let's begin with inspiration. This process begins with the inspiratory muscles contracting. Inspiratory muscles include the diaphragm and the external intercostal muscles. When the external intercostal muscles contract, the ribs are elevated and the sternum flares. The diaphragm moves inferiorly during contraction. This causes the thoracic cavity volume to increase. The lungs are then stretched. This intrapulmonary volume increases. The intrapulmonary pressure then drops as a result. It usually goes down to -1 millimeters of mercury. Air then flows into the lungs down the pressure gradient until the intrapulmonary pressure is moved back to 0. This will mean it is equal to the atmospheric pressure around it. This is the end of inspiration. Next, let's move on to expiration. Expiration can be either quiet or forced. Quiet expiration depends on lung elasticity more than muscle contraction. Let's begin with quiet. The inspiratory muscles I listed earlier relax. The external intercostal muscles relax and the ribs and sternum depress. When the diaphragm relaxes, it moves superiorly. This causes the thoracic cavity volume to decrease. The elastic lungs recoil passively. This causes the intrapulmonary volume to decrease. This then causes the intrapulmonary pressure to rise. It will usually reach +1 millimeter of mercury. Air flows out of the lungs down the pressure gradient. The intrapulmonary pressure will reach 0. This means it is equal to the atmospheric pressure. Forced expiration is mostly the same, but it has a few differences. It involves the contraction of abdominal wall muscles, mainly the oblique and transversus muscles. The contractions of these muscles increase the intra-abdominal pressure, then this forces the abdominal organs superiorly against the diaphragm. Then the rib cage is depressed. And really, that's the only difference. The rest of it is still the same as the quiet expiration. Thank you.